So yeah, I would say for myself and my own therapy journey, transitioning from high school into college is a tough time for anyone. Working with my younger clients, I'm constantly, reminded of that time of my life when I was feeling lost and like I didn't have a voice. And, my relationship with my therapist is pretty unique. I started seeing her when my parents were getting divorced when I was 7. That lasted for maybe a year or so. And then, I was without a therapist for until I was like 18, right? So then I reconnected with her and I started meeting with her every week. And, during that transition from high school into college and into, my navigating my 20s, she was really there for me and she helped guide me in the right direction. And just because of the impact she had in my life, I really don't think I would be where I am today without her support. If you'd like to book a session with me, you can go to alignedcounselingcenter.com.